cannot hear you. Hi guys, it's me again, Johan, and my brother Jacob. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Johan Wonders. Thanks guys for watching and subscribing our channel. Please stay connected and stay safe.
Today is a magic experiment.
Today is another science episode. Do you know what we are gonna do? We are gonna try to make a mini telephone and see if we can talk to each other in 4 places. Are you ready? Then let's get started.
The things we need cup, paper, scissors, tape.
Are you ready? Then let's get started. Here are the things that you will need. You will need scissors, string, cups, and tape. Are you ready? Then let's get started. First, we are gonna cut the bottom of the cup. Now we have a hole. Now, after you cut a hole in the middle of the bottom of the cup, next you will get the string and then tie a knot in it. If it doesn't work, add some tape on it like this. Putting the string inside the cup. Now what we will do is to put tape on it so that it doesn't be loose. Now we made our own mini telephone. Let's see if it works. Let's find out. Hello, I can hear you. Sound waves are created when sounds make vibrations in the air. In this activity, your voice vibrates the air inside the cup, which are then transferred to the bottom of the cup. The bottom of the cup passes the sound waves to the string and so on to the other cup.
Elmo.
I cannot hear you.
What's your favorite animal?
I cannot hear you. The string is kept tight, the sound waves will travel. If the string is loose, the sound is less. This is because the loose string causes the vibrations to travel all around rather than directly down the string. with different lengths of string, types of string, and types of cups to see which produces the best sound over the longest distance.
That's it, guys. Hope you like our science experiment today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more of my exciting and amazing videos. See you in our next science episode. Bye-bye! Hello, Kuya Harvey. Where are you? I don't know where you are. Are you there? No, I think you're there. Hey, you're not there. Oh my God, I don't know where he is.
Hello. This map are by way.
Hello? Oh, it's me, Tita Hazel. What do you want? I want to come here to buy. Okay, I'll be right back. Hello, Tita May. Hello, Tita Hazel. I don't know where you are. Are you in the middle of nowhere? I don't know. Bye-bye, guys, and see you soon. Thank you for watching.